In this video, we are going to see how we can deal with the cash sales in Sage 50. As you can see in this transaction, it says on 11 January, cash sales of Corolla windscreen. That means that sometimes the business is dealing in the wholesale and the retail business as well. So what happens is sometimes walk-in customers comes and buy some items from you, but they are not repeated customers, right? They only came for one time and it's not necessary that they will come back or they will be your regular customers. So in that case, it's useless to record the customer as a name. Rather, what will we do is we will create a generic name for all the cash customers. For example, cash sales should be customer name or walk-in customer or whatever you like. So let's see how we can deal with this in Sage. So first of all, the procedure we will follow will be the same. Just go to the customers in sales and from here, just click on the sales invoice and click on new sales invoice. As I said, the customer ID should be created for all the generic customers which are walk-in customers. So click on search. Here we only have this 4 customers. Let's create a new one. Since this is a special customer, we will name it as C999 so that it will be kept separately in the list. After that, just press tab and we can write here cash customer. Rest all the information is selected correctly. We just save out of here and close. And now we can enter the sales like we normally do for all the regular customers. So select the cash customer. The date of transaction is 11 January. So let's put 11th here. Let's put any invoice number. The quantity is 1. Item is Corolla windscreen. Unit price is 560 and all done. The total should be 560 with no sales tax. And after that we will save. But as we go back to this transaction and check the journal effect, what we see is that we have sold the item, so sale is credit, and against that account receivable is debit. But we have directly received the cash against this sale, right? So what we have to do is, since we just considered this customer, the treatment will be same as we normally do for all the regular customers. After that, immediately after entering the sales, what we do is we manually receive the money in the second step. Receive money from customer and immediately just choose cash customer. You will see a pending invoice. You just clear it from here. You just choose the account, which is cash, enter any receipt number or reference number, just put the correct date, and we can just again check. Sometimes when you correct the date or mention some other information, the check mark might be disabled. So you have to click it again. And after that, we click save. Now, when we go back by clicking on this receipt option, go to the previous transaction and we can see this transaction right here. Just make sure this is the right transaction. And after that, let's check the journal entry effect. And as we can see, the receivables is reducing because at the time we booked the sales, there was a receivable against that generated. So we have reduced the receivable successfully, and against that, we have received the cash. As you can see, cash is debit. So that's how we do it. Just try it by yourself and I'll see you in the next one.